What's the best 5.7 pistol? Let's take a look. First on the scene was the FN 5.7. It's a popular gun. They've moved a lot of them. Next, you had other companies jumping in to join the fun. The Ruger and the Smith 5.7. They've both been really popular. The Ruger 5.7 recently, they just dropped the price on these to all the dealers, and obviously it's filtering into the market. So this is the #1 best seller right now. Keltec just released their new 5.7. Really interested to see what this will do. There's only been a few of them on the market, but these are the contenders in the 5.7 market right now. So which one's your favorite? Let me know.